Hello. I wanted to shed a little bit of light on the topic of this week, which is the topic of evolution related to natural selection and particularly the case of human evolution. So, as we look all around you at these plants and butterflies, humans, anything that's alive, we know that we all share at least a portion of our DNA. Now, what Darwin said is that traits that are beneficial for the survival of an organism will allow that organism to reach maturity, reproduce, and thus pass the traits on to their offspring. So, if organisms are secluded to an island like the finches were, whatever finch has the best beak to feed on the food of that island, that's probably the beak that will end up being part of the majority of the population. I think everybody understands that. The question becomes when people start thinking about how humans then came to be as a species, and the question of, are humans and great apes related? Did they come from apes? And I think there's a lot of confusion regarding this matter. So I'm going to try to make it a little bit easier for you guys to understand. What scientists believe from the fossil record is that there are different types of hominids. Hominids are human-like creatures, right? Such as Hominus habilis, the Neanderthal, and other such species that are not Homo sapiens, which is the modern human. Now, all of those independent lines, including some of the great ape lines, are thought to be related to this ancestor species. That is not to say that first came the great apes and then came monkeys and then came humans. That's not what that's saying at all. That's like me taking this apple, right, and deciding to either make an apple pie or extract juice from it. Now, both the pie and the juice came from the same fruit. However, the juice did not come from the pie, and neither the pie come from the juice. So, although we think that modern Homo sapiens came from the same ancestors, that is not to say that they came from apes. I hope this clarifies some of the discussion for you. If you have any more questions, make sure to post them. And also, don't forget that to get the full credit for that discussion, you do have to comment at least to 2 other postings. And you can include this posting that I'm putting on right now as your response, okay? So I'm looking forward to reading some more of your comments. And I'm also reminding you that your final exam is due on Sunday. Some of you have already taken it, and some of you have actually finished and finished well. So to those of you who did that, congratulations. For those who didn't, you just have a few more days to go. Hang in there and let's get it done. Bye.